All right. All right.
We're all experts at a few things in life. But one thing I'm not an expert at, car repairs. That's why before your car breaks down, you need to call CarShield. Their administrators can hook you up with plans that can cover the cost of major repairs on your car, including the transmission, engine, air conditioning, entertainment systems, and up to 6,000 other parts. When your car's out of warranty, it's going to break down at some point. And if you call CarShield before it does, you don't have to worry about paying those expensive bills. CarShield saved me $2,200. I've been a CarShield customer for close to 7 years, and they saved me close to $9,000. What you'll also love is that plans through CarShield give you 24/7, coast-to-coast roadside assistance. CarShield has made me an expert at saving money on expensive car repairs. Trust me, you need to pick up that phone right now and call CarShield.